Dude, I found a beach. Alright, look at this beach. Whoa. We could probably cross it here. Whoa. There's a bonfire here. Look. Fire. Someone was here. Wait, Jeff, people were here. Look at that. People were here. There's hope. There's hope. Oh, they're turtles. Need that. I'm not killing a turtle though. Not killing a turtle. I'm keeping that clear.
What?
Oh, sorry. I was talking to the audience. There's turtles. There's turtles.
The car.
Oh, you brought it? Cool. Sorry guys, my nose is a little runny. Dude, there's like turtles here. They're so cute. I'm not gonna kill them though. Actually, could use their shells. I think we can use their shells for armor, but I'm not gonna try it. Flintlock wood! Flintlock wood! Why is he running like that? Oh, dude, come here! Look! Why is this so depressing? Yeah, I'm gonna eat this one now. Oh look, we got a cooking pan. Oh, never mind, we can't use it. Okay. Thank you for turning that off. This is actually sad.
Oh, money. Oh, there you go, Matt.
Okay, let me see.
Grenade. Or. You think we can swim all the way over there?
I was thinking about it, but I'm not sure, not gonna lie. Bring Metro with you and get the shopping cart. Or the shopping cart. Yeah, we're gonna call it our shopping cart. The shopping cart. Bring the shopping cart. Oh, she crossed the river. Oh yeah, this look, it's thin. It's thin. You can bring the cart over here.
Wait, give me a minute.
Yeah, she's just waiting.
Look, there, you see this?
What?
I don't know if we can cross it though. I mean, if we can swim.
The red thing over there? I know. I don't know.
Come here, I'm gonna try it. Fuck it.
Okay. I'm coming. Wait up. I don't know if you could though, because I don't know if there's sharks. Oh, he's fucking doing it. Well, if this is where he dies, then this is where he dies. It's about to be nighttime. Don't have big wood though. Hey, hey buddy, can you do something for me? Can you get some wood? I don't want to go. Yeah, get some logs.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, what happened? What is it? What's happening over there? Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. What up? What is it? What is it?
There's a fucking shark here.
There's a shark. I knew it.
Yeah. Fuck. But guess what I found?
What is it?
A
Guns?
gun.
Yes.
Yep.
Fuck yes. Okay. W. We got guns. We're making it. We're making improvements here.
I mean, I'm pretty sure you can get it too, but like you will have to get here.
Yeah,
but
I'll
I mean,
have to
there's a
swim.
shark.
Yeah. And I don't think you can actually hold your weapon while in the water.
It's also getting dark.
Yeah, I told Metro to get some.
Well, the shark left. You can try it. Take an energy drink and swim over here.
I will. I told Metro to get some wood. I'll make a fire real quick before I head over there.
Hear me?
Yeah, I can hear. I'm just making a bonfire.
Do you know how to turn on the flare?
For what flare? I don't think so.
You don't have a flare?
I don't believe I do. I don't see a flare unless there's one I don't know about. Okay, where's my truck? Go. Let's fucking do it, guys. Fucking go. We're just gonna wing it. Fuck no sharks. We ain't scared of no sharks. Sharks scared of us. And with me up there, no shark can mess with us. Not even a little bit. Oh, get up. Dog, breathe. Breathe. Oh, damn. Oh. Holy shit.
I literally almost shoot you.
Let's not shoot me then. Let's just put the gun down. We're all friends here. I guess
Is it really you?
yeah,
Oh,
it's
shit.
me. Yeah, I got a gun too. Wait, what now? What now?
Shit.
Huh?
Now put the gun down.
You put the gun down.
I'll put it down, but you first.
No, I don't know. You first. All right.
Bro.
Count of three.
Don't make me do it.
Count of three.
Alright.
Three.
Yeah.
2,
2,
1.
1.
Ah!
You scared me. I'm sorry. Nope. That happened by mistake.
You're lucky I had 2 energy drinks before I got here.
How many bullets? Like, how do you like reload it? I have no idea.
No clue. But all I know is that we have a weapon against those fucking guys. Oh, these are the flares you collected over here. I was wondering what the fuck you meant by flares. Alright, are you ready to swim back? Did you kill a bird? I can't hear you, bro. Are you ready to swim back? Oh, that's how you... Hey, do you still need medicine?
Yo.
I gave you
Hello?
some medicine, by the way.
How do you do that?
So basically, do you see A on your screen right now? On my backpack? Yeah, look. The stuff you can give me. And I gave you a medicine. Alright.
Let me drink a
Energy drink? Here. I gave you energy drink. I'm gonna start to swim now, alright? I'm swimming. I remember. Shark ain't nothing. Shark's scared of me. I ain't scared of no shark. Shark's scared of me. Oh! What was that? I don't know, but we gotta keep going. I don't know what that was, but we gotta keep going. Unless that was fucking Mr. Bean.
Oh my.
Uh-oh. That does not sound good if you said, oh my god. We're swimming back, don't worry. We're almost there. We're almost there. We're here. Dude, you good? You alive? I'm going back to base. Well, a little base that we have over here. Fuck, wait, where's the base at? We made a little campfire over here. Oh, I'm at it right now. I can't see anything. Oh, everything burned down. Okay.
Why is Metro so far?
I don't know. I had him get wood, but that was a while ago. Oh my god. That's special, man. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Hello? Hello? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Wait. Hello?
Hear me now?
Yeah, I hear you. Oh, did you turn on?
Yeah, turn on proximity chat.
Yeah, so like, wait, you stay right there. Let's see how far it goes. Do you hear me?
Yeah. Do you hear me?
Yeah, do you hear me now?
Yep.
Do you hear me now?
Barely.
I barely hear you too. How about now? Hello? And then when we're this far, we can use the walkie-talkie.
The mutant, the girl,
Yeah.
she's doing like yoga or dancing.
Interesting. I'm heading over there.
She just stopped. No, wait, she's still doing it?
I feel like this, yeah, leaving proximity chat on is better. So like, we don't have to constantly have our walkie-talkies when we're close together.
Yeah, sounds good.
Hey, girl. You dancing? Oh, hey, shimmy. Oh, shimmy, 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 shimmy. And now she's gone.
This bitch.